So, turn the truck off. Another faithful trip by the Volvo. This person's backing in. So, hopefully they don't hit me. I'm gonna probably wait here until they're in. And then, yeah, go try to check in or take a chill pill. It really doesn't matter. Oh gosh, I'm roasted. The sleep's gonna be good because I'm just gonna get loaded and then do my 10. And then whatever time my 10 is up, I'm gonna leave. So that might be 1 a.m. again. So be in wherever. Yeah. Anyway, I'm rambling and I'm super roasted tired. So anywho, see you in a second. Just kind of checking things out post trip here. Yep, they're warm. They're warm. Those hubs are fine. Also, the seal is still on. Sometimes they crank these bad boys and then they're too tight and then this wiggling pops it off. I had that happen one time. I love this trailer. Shiny. So, tires looking good too. I mean, sure, they're still wearing a bit weird right here. It's kind of getting to an uncomfortable level, but that hub's warm. Yeah, so they're warm, not hot, none of them. So now you get my steps in walking over there. When you want me?
We'll come back about 10 minutes to grill.
All right.
Come inside and park in the back here.
Yes, sir.
We'll come down about 10 to 12 and we'll
10
get
to 12. All right, thank you. You guys don't have a restaurant here, do you?
Yeah. Over here to the left at the end of the yellow rail, right in front of the stairs.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh man, he didn't let me ask him his pet peeve, but yeah, he said his pet peeve is backing into tight spots. That thing, beautiful truck. All right, so yeah, they told us to come back 10 before 12. So I could either hang out here, I could drive over to the Quick Trip down the road. Yeah, one of the two. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna probably hang out because I'm not terribly hungry. I just use the bathroom in there, so no reason really for me to leave and risk the road, as I always say, because every time you enter that road, that is a risk. Yeah, anyway, it's a pretty sick truck, huh? Oh man. Yeah, he said his pet peeve is backing into tight spots. I imagine. That thing, I guarantee, is tough to back into places. But yeah, it's a buzzing little warehouse, all kinds of stuff going on. People going around, shuffling. I don't understand why they couldn't yank my product off early, but in the end, it is what it is. So, yeah, see you in a bit. All right, checked in. Got door number 8. Yeah, he said break the seal. I don't really like that, but when I asked him to write, if he could write it or at least check the seal, he said, "That's all right, man. The cameras will pick it up if anything." And I was like, "Okay." 11, 10, 9, 8. Someone over there had like a pool of coolant leaking too, so that is rough for whoever that is. I feel real bad. I can relate. You know, so all right. Lined up. I'm gonna go back, video me breaking the seal, and yeah, hopefully we can get unloaded because our next pickup's at 3. So here is this dock again, getting loaded in Atlanta with this recycling. You see how tight it is. He's gonna be doing a full 90 here to get her turned around, and then he's gonna hit a dock. So that semi just pulled in, and this one just pulled in. So those guys are gonna have to get loaded before me. I don't think they have another dock. Well, it looks like they have number 6, but I don't know. We'll see. All right, let's try to back in here. Really love all the glass on the ground here. Really adds to the style of this place, the culture. All right, she's tight back there. Yeah. And I got dock number 6. So she's gonna be a wee bit tight. You see all these people in here? Sorry, you're cooking. She's gonna be a wee bit tight for sure. I'm gonna open my doors. Sliding them tangents. Wasn't too bad. I don't know who's honking. Hopefully they're not honking at me, boy. Sliding. Thud. Oh, nope. There it is. Alright. You know, I was watching these videos as I was editing them. You guys can't tell what's happening when I'm sliding my tandems. Like, you cannot tell at all. So, honestly, I should stop including that. But that's how it's done. Also, my battery has not been wanting to start these last few cranks. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna chill some more because I think I can tell it's gonna be a while. All right, we're loaded. For some reason, whenever they were done, they turned it on red, and the whole time they were loading me, it was on green. So we're waiting for air pressure to build. We're gonna hop on the scale, go get our papers, and we're gonna go park at a Quick Trip right down the road and sleep because I'm tired, and we'll head out tonight. pulled in here. There was a sign that said no semi-traffic, so of course I went through there. But I don't know if there's one over there where I'll be leaving from. There's a big open lot. I mean, I can't be the only guy that's ever gonna park here, but I'm tired. It's pretty rare that I just call it quits on a trip. Usually I'm just Ramboing it and going all the way, but it's like this time, for me to get through and be comfortable, I'd have to take on some caffeine, and then that would mess up my sleep. So I'm at the point where it's like worn off, and a little bit of a sketchy place, but I don't know. I'm ready to just pound out 7, do a 7-3 split on my log again. It'll be like my third one in the last 2 days. But yeah, and get some sleep, wake up in the morning, cannot be late. I have like an 11:30 appointment, so it'll work out. Just gotta sleep. So see you in the morning. Well, good morning. So last night I was in Chattanooga at that standstill you probably saw. I don't know what it's doing. There it's evening out a little. You kind of hear right, and it was just lurching, you know. So it's evening out. I don't know if it's maybe just was cold right now, but man, this thing needs, like, every filter is almost due for replacement, and I think it's just a little clogged up. I think the DEF filter's clogged up. I think the DPF I know is clogged. I know the engine oil filters need it soon. Need a transmission. I need all kinds of stuff done. So yeah, it's evening out now, so that makes me feel a little better, but a little scary, you know. All right, went inside, used the restroom.
Highlighted route.
Okay. Went inside, used the restroom, came out, checked the tires. This person next to me had a blowout. I was going around the back. They're sitting in their truck. There's a woman in the passenger seat. Just kind of, you know, nodded at her, waved at her. And then went to checking my tires up here. I saw they had a blowout tire, so I went over and said, hey, assume you guys know, you guys got that tire blown out? They're like, yeah, we're waiting on someone right now. So I always try to tell people that, because I don't know. Why not, right? Why not just double check? Then if they didn't know, you saved them a lot of headache of having to. Usually what would happen is the other tire would blow out. So then you've got two, and that's kind of hard to miss. Because this one was an inside tire. Inside tires are definitely harder to tell when they blow. Let's get rolling at drop off. Should be right on time. We're about 2 hours away, I think. And I think my appointment's till like 11 something. So I'm just gonna be cruising nice and easy, getting that fuel mileage up. It's at 6.7 right now, which this my dash always reads a little low. So I think I might be knocking on 7. And this load is like 70. I can't remember what it was. 75,000 pounds. So pretty good. Going up and down mountains and stuff like that. And with some traffic last night. I should have turned my truck off during that Chattanooga hold up that you saw. But anyway, I'm talking too much. Let's get to driving. Alright, that's not good. Gosh, dang. It only sounds like an injector or something. Jeez. Alright. Well, I'm gonna try to put some fuel conditioner in the fuel. See if this is just something that's getting clogged. I don't know. I have no idea. So here we're gonna be on the side of the road for a sec. Makes me a little worried about even being able to get home. Kind of wish I just carried on last night, but well, we'll see. I just put a whole bottle of House on each tank. And then I did probably like a third of like half a bottle of Fuel Ox. So if that doesn't clean it up, then I don't know what will. Come on, Mercedes, please, please go faster. Oh, come on, get me through the intersection. There we go. All right, there's the go. I don't know. Sounds like I'm a smart man, but I think I need some injector work or something like that. Huh. Well, I guess I'll give you the time lapse and show you if something else bad happens. So still running like crap on the off of idle. So I don't know. I feel like I got like a injector bad or something like that. But I'm gonna change a bunch of filters, start on that today, and then give it to the shop. And they'll tell me what's wrong with it, I guess. All right, and this is why their appointments are gonna be strict from now. Why is it running perfect now? It's running literally. Okay, it's a little rough still. Okay. Yeah, just when I was pulling off the scale back there, it was running like a sack of hammers. So, yeah. Well, I'm gonna get on back home and I'm gonna do some maintenance today. You'll be along there with me for it. So, see you in a bit. All right, I'm back here at my house, and I think it is, first of all, it's running really rough, so something's bad. I don't really want to run it any more than I have to, but I didn't want to pay for a tow, so I'll be money ahead on the fact I didn't get a tow, just as long as it didn't yeet some big important part of the engine. So anyway, I was checking everything out here. I just remember to have this. I need to do something about that, I think. But if not, it's not the end of the world. So I think I'm going to change the oil